Stage by the open racing director suite moving up Big Quick and showing speed now in the early part. Big Quick cuts Delight now joining on the outside. Four lengths back director suite now followed by Magical Bella Moramio. While Princess Winnet, the top favorite, is trailing the group. Out of straight day trouble. Big Quick just in front, leads by half a length, followed closely by Cuts Delight. Four lengths back to Director Suite. 5 lengths away now, Princess Winnet, then followed by Amor Romeo. While Magical Bell now running in a tailblue field down the half-mile day trouble. Big Week still in front by a length, followed by Cuts Delight in second, 2 lengths back. Director Suite moving up now is Princess Winnet. And inside the last 600, Big Quick Cuts Delight, Princess Winnet, and moving up is Amor Mio, a long shot now the outside. And towards the last 300, Big Quick, Princess Winnet, Amor Mio, moving up now in between horses. And final turn they go, Amor Mio now grabs the leader, followed by Princess Winnet, Big Quick, and down the wire, Amor Mio, Princess Winnet, but it's still Amor Mio. Second, Princess Winnet, Cuts Delight, Director Suite, Big Quick, Magical Bell.
Ayan na. Nagkabulagaan na. Lucky na yan. Number 3, Amor Mio, crossing the wall first, ridden by Jao Saulog. Dehado sa lahat yan. Lucky na yan. Pag masisigundo nga, una Princess Winnet, Cuts Delight, then Director Suite, para 3-1-6-2. Panaro natin replay.